1.
Pick one. Object. Pick one. Edit the mesh. Save it. Back to home page.
2.
Repeat. Grab object that has an effect. Warehouse. Object definition. Tuning. Copy tuning name. Back on your object. Extract tuning. Paste. Add to current package. Locate object tuning. Data. Name. Edit name. Copy. In object definition, paste new tuning name. Do this for every object definition. Object tuning. XML. Locate effect name. Change effect name. To locate effects,
Find that in the description.
save.
3.
To edit position, orientation, rotation and scale, select Rig. Bones. Edit item. FX position. Tweak the settings until happy, or in Studio, Rig/slots, change the position here. Triangle tells you where it is. Done. How magical!
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.